for your camper.
I'm sorry. We'll change insurance information and I'll pay for it.
Alright, I didn't know. Oh, I didn't know until you took your goggles off. Are you okay?
Yeah,
right?
did your husband bring his side by side?
We don't have our
We got bumpers right there, though.
Can you get him to pull me?
Sorry, I didn't realize it was
Yeah, it was me, honey. I'm sorry.
You took your goggles
It
off.
just
Are you
f***ing broke and came right into you. I couldn't stop it.
No, but are you okay?
Yeah.
I didn't know who it was.
It's all good.